Are you ready to revolutionize the tech world and become the next big techtrepreneur? In today's fast-paced digital world, technology isn't just changing lives, it's creating life-changing business opportunities. In this video, we're sharing 20 tech business ideas for techtrepreneurs. Number 1. AI-powered chatbots. Develop AI chatbots for business to improve customer service, automate FAQs, and handle multiple users simultaneously. These are in high demand across industries. Number 2. Cybersecurity consultancy. With rising cyber threats, businesses need experts who can secure their networks and systems. You can start by offering risk assessments and solutions. Number 3. Remote work collaboration tools. Create tools that enhance productivity for remote teams like project management software, virtual whiteboards, or seamless communication apps. Number 4. Smart home automation services. Design and install smart home systems that include security cameras, automated lighting, and voice-controlled devices. Number 5. Digital health platforms. Combine tech and healthcare by building apps for telemedicine, health monitoring, or fitness tracking. Number 6. AR/VR experience design. Tap into the gaming or real estate or education sectors by creating augmented or virtual reality applications. Number 7. Blockchain development services. Offer blockchain solutions for secure transactions, supply chain tracking, or even NFT platforms. Number 8. Drone delivery services. Develop a logistics company using drones for faster and more efficient deliveries in urban or remote areas. Number 9. 3D printing business. Set up a 3D printing service for creating prototypes, custom products, or even on-demand manufacturing. Number 10. IoT solutions for businesses. Help businesses connect to their devices and systems through IoT to optimize operations and data analysis. Number 11. Education tech platforms. Create an app that offers virtual classes, interactive learning tools, or exam prep for students. Number 12. Freelancing platforms for specific niches. Build a marketplace connecting freelancers with clients in niche industries like legal, medical, or creative fields. Number 13. Subscription-based software. Develop SaaS solutions for businesses like accounting software, HR tools, or marketing automation platforms. Number 14. Gaming Development Studio. Design and publish engaging mobile games or PC games. Gamers are always looking for new adventures. Number 15. AI Content Creation Tools. Build AI tools that generate content for blogs, videos, or social media posts, catering to digital marketers and content creators. Number 16. Renewable Energy Tech Solutions. Offers solar panel installation, energy monitoring apps, or consultancy for sustainable energy usage. Number 17. Recycling Tech Innovations. Develop smart waste management systems or apps that encourage recycling by gamifying the process. Number 18. Electric Vehicle Charging Solutions. Start a business creating or managing EV charging stations or software to monitor charging usage. Number 19. Sustainable Fashion Tech. Combine technology and fashion by creating apps or platforms that promote eco-friendly and sustainable clothing. And number 20. Agri-Tech Solutions. Help farmers optimize production with apps for soil analysis, weather forecasting, or crop monitoring. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching.